How to embed a Google form into a Canva website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now it is actually very easy and simple to do, so let's just go in and get to it. So the first thing is going to be going to canva.com, and then from here we just want to open up our website. I'm just going to open it this one up. It's just for testing, so I'm just going to be testing things out with it. In this case, I'm just going to open up this page. If you want to create a whole new page for it, it's completely up to you. If you want to use it only on a specific, you just go ahead and pick whichever page that you actually wanted to add the Google form to. It's not going to matter. In my case, I'm just going to be using this one. So once you open up the page and it is ready to go, we want to go to first we want to design it. So just go and click on your website. And then we just want to go to the apps section on the bottom left. So just go and click on that. And then you just want to search for Embed. So you just go in and search for Embed, and it should be an application that is in blue, which is this one right here. So just go in and click on Embed. And then as you can see, we can't really use HTML on this one. It's just going to be links. So we need to use the links option. Now all we need to do is just go ahead and open up a new browser tab. And we just want to open up our forms, so we can just go ahead and open it up. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a blank form, because there are going to be a few settings that you will need to set up in order for this to work. So I'm just going to name it Embed. Let's just go ahead and name it Embed. Let's just go ahead and add 2 questions with random options here, another question with a few options here as well. There you go. So once you have your form ready to go and you want to embed it, all you need to do is just go and go to the settings first, and then just go to responses. From responses, there are a few things that you will need to do. The collect email addresses option, you will need to go ahead and select do not collect. And then we also have the other one, which is limit to 1 response, requires sign in. Also go ahead and turn this off. So these two, collect email addresses and limit to 1 response, you need to make sure they are turned off. And once that's done, we have our questions, we have our form, and the settings are proper. We just want to click on send on the top right. And then we just want to go for the second option. Just make sure at the top it says collect email addresses as do not collect. Shorten the URL, it's going to make it better for us, and just copy it. And once this is all done, we just wanted to go back to our Canva. Click on the Embed app, which is this one, which is going to open up this screen for you, and you just want to basically paste in the link over here and click on add to site. Just wait a little bit and it's actually going to add it here for you. As you can see, you can make it larger or smaller. It's completely up to you, even from the top. So if you want it to be adjust the width and height for it, you can feel free to do so. And people either way can still scroll down and up with this on the right panel. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.